Sometimes we act cautiously and use masked email and names and put the addresses that we don't even know. It's already making you use these open source investigation techniques, for instance, virtual phone numbers or temporary email addresses. Well, by utilizing this kind of services, you might be able to investigate someone through social networks anonymously. In this video, I'll explain some of those services and tools that help you to utilize social networks and various services without sharing your personal information. Having a fake Facebook account can be important for several reasons. From an ethical or malicious hacker standpoint, you might want to fake a Facebook account to either fish someone, catfish someone, or do just an investigation. This helps to investigate information without linking those activities back to you. Or you want to just browse the Facebook without your information leaked to their service. Well, you might say I create a generic email with someone's name on it, and a matter of fact, it's accurate and works sometimes. But since these services want accurate human information, they ask for verifications like phone numbers or any other action you need to take. Moreover, for instance, Facebook checks phone numbers and censors SMS messages. So how do you get around that without using your actual phone? Well, you can buy a burner phone, that is an option, or you can use Textfree, textfree.us. Here you can create an account, which will create a virtual telephone number, which you can use for verification and stuff. Have you heard about metadata? Well, almost all files have metadata. This is an information about that main data, like its properties. So images taken by smartphones might have address and phone type information on them. So if you upload a photo somewhere or send someone, they can reverse engineer and learn information about you by just looking at the photo metadata. If you don't want to include those info, go to settings and remove those options not to include it. Taken date, address like longitude and latitude in the photo. There are lots of tools to reverse engineer photos. Moreover, with GPS coordinates.org website, you can find the location of that photo taken. I utilize disposable email addresses mostly when I only need one or two information from that service or a website. For instance, if I want only that white paper about some organization's success, or you want to download some PowerPoint template, you can use disposable email addresses. So by not giving your email address, you can get rid of various spam and marketing emails that come to your email address. So if you have similar situations, you can use a service like 33mail.com. This is something that mainly works. Reverse email search. This is actually a broad topic, but I'll try to make it short and concise. For example, sometimes you get a message that looks legit, the name is good, the profile photo is well and clear, and I mean the email address could be professional, but you don't want to reply to them. So what do? Go to binverified.com and search that email address to ensure. This kind of service provides matching information. I mean, this is not 100% accurate, but it at least provides some kind of information to compare, The following service is infotracer.com. Well, sometimes this one provides a piece of good information, like the email IP and a country. You can get complete reports and background checks by paying a few bucks if you want. But mostly people utilize the email providers to create emails, and this kind of services just put the Google or Microsoft, which is not useful information to you. Reverse number lookups. We live in a world where data about people is good money. And if you put your phone number to some services online, after some time, they end up selling your information to third-party people. It happens. You can know who called with reverse phone lookup services. They have millions of phone numbers to look up. For instance, this service. As you can see, it has over 260 million phone numbers, including cell phones. That is a significant number. This tool is always handy for everyone, and I mean everyone. But if you live in third world countries, well, you won't be able to reverse those phone numbers. Deleted Reddit comments. We love Reddit. I use Reddit every other day to learn something new or see what other people think about something that I wish to buy or use. And sometimes you see that comments are deleted, and you wish you could have seen those comments and want to know what happens. So this service called resaver.com pulls all the information with over 650 characters. Thank you for watching. If these tools were helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you won't miss other awesome tools in the future.